Hello YouTube, Chip here, going for a walk in the woods. Just walking. There's a creek right over here. There's a lot of sand right here too. Yeah, this is a lot of sand. It's soft. I guess sand is soft. Yeah, cool little creek. I like how every once in a while it cascades, like there's these ripples and then pools, and then more ripples and then more pools. Try to get down there. Oh, my hand's blocking the way for the camera. Let's make some pretty good campsites out in here. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the first one who thought of that idea. Whoever said nature isn't cool was wrong. There's a lot of fog down there. I don't know if you can see him. See him hopping? Where'd you go? There he is. He's a tiny guy. Alright, I'll leave you alone. We're just gonna cut across. I hope that butterfly flew right in the view. Kind of weird. A little ditch. So I was planning on walking all the way to Black River. I don't know the name of this creek, so I'm not good with information most of the time. There's a runoff channel. That's what this is. When it rains, all the rainwater goes that way. Man, it's just beautiful back in here, dude. I'm gonna walk away from the creek for a minute. Look at this. I'm gonna go up there, up on the hill. Oh, up on the hill up there somewhere. Show you the view looking down. There's a whole bunch of firewood down here. Wood for days, I guess that's what happens in the woods. Alright, so how shall I get up there? It's gonna be a treat. Man, over here's my best bet. Quick spark. Amazing for starting fires. Okay. Time to start to trek up the hill. This is probably not going to be that bad. Right down there, that's where I was. It's down over there. It's a pretty cool spot, man. Sorry, I'm not talking much. Don't really have much to talk about, other than I do plan on making more videos like this in the woods. Oh. Would you look at that? Peoples have been here. That's where it was. Down there. If you hear a lot of breathing, it's because I'm out of shape, I'm fat, I'm overweight, I'm old, I'm obese, any other term for overweight, fat, and all the other ones that I just listed off. And don't worry if this video is boring. It's only gonna be 10 minutes long. So, you know, be happy for that. That's pretty cool up here, man. I gotta remember what way it came from and where do I go, or what way I'm going. Man, this is cool. Oh, that's pretty cool. That tree fell down and got wedged. Oh wait, no, that's where it fell down from. Fell right in the path though. I mean, I guess I can go under it. Not going to though. I'm gonna start heading back. Go back down the creek. See some mushrooms back here, but I don't know much about mushrooms, although I do know you could try one mushroom once, or you could try some of them once. And I'm okay with only trying one once. I'd rather try a couple many times. Alright, well, I'm gonna flip it back over. Oh god, there's an ugly guy. That's my video. nature freak if you want. But you know, if you like my stuff, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and yeah, stay tuned. See ya.